Hi, my name is Rebecca Atherton. I'm a clinical liaison here at San Joaquin Valley Rehabilitation Hospital in Fresno. Today we will be talking about aphasia. Aphasia is one of the more common deficits related with a stroke. Aphasia is a patient's inability to communicate properly and difficulty word finding. There's different ranges of aphasia. Someone can be as severe as totally nonverbal, only able to shake their head yes or no, or more mild form, which a patient just has difficulty word finding, and they'll be talking and then just there's that one word that they just get stuck on. Here at San Joaquin, our specialized therapists, speech therapists, and occupational therapists work with the patient to create a specific therapeutic program to help the patient develop those communication skills and help the family and educate them on the new deficits that this patient has, so that returning home the patient has the best outcome and is able to return back to their previous level of functioning.